Okay, I just got this in. It's the Elves Box December 2018 subscription box. This is my first box from them. You see it's kind of beat up, but yeah. Anyway, got a helper. So let's find out what they sent in the box today. Cards right on top. This is what's supposed to be in there. Alright, let's see what we got on top. Okay. So-called mixing bowl and the tools for it. You can't help, little man. Back off. Alright, so I guess we'll start this way. Alright, first on the list is supposed to be UV resin. Alright, got that. Next is crystal white pearl pigment. So 9 colors of war white glitters. I can already tell there's not 9 of them, but let's see. I guess that's all the glitters. So this is number 2. And 4. They all kind of just look the same. Number 3. Number 5. Number 1 is got glitter already coming out. That's gonna be fun. And number 9 or 6. I guess it has to be number 6. That means, let's see, there was only 6 glitters. There it says you're supposed to have 9. So I wonder if that's just a mistake. I keep the resin, boy. Alright, so we already pulled out the mixing bowl and the tools. Color changing heat pigment. Which one of these? I'm guessing this is? Or is it this? Let's see. Oh, let's take it out. We'll figure it out in a second. My furry son just wants to help with this box. So, cute little container it comes in. See, it's pink. See, this is, I think this might be the color changing. Let's just hold it like that for a second. Yep, now it's color changing because it went to this orange color. You can see around there. Wonder what I can do with that. So that means that this is the UV pigment color changing powder. Let's see. What are the applicators for in there? White. Let's see. There should be just a We'll figure that one out in a minute. Let's see. This right here should just be, yep, just a little UV torch. Let me put some berries in there right quick. Yeah, okay. So, looks white now. Let's see. It's just glowing. Yes, and I see. And it went pink. Okay, so this is UV changing. Back in this package. Alright, let's see. What's next on our list? Kawaii animal opening bezels. That will be these. Let's see what we got. Let's just do it like this. Okay, little kitty cat. Oops. It's like a panda bear. Next up is little fox. And then last would be a little dog. Why are all these looking over, showing them? Okay, it's kind of weird. All of them are showing their backside. Alright, next on the list is open crystal bezels. These. Okay. Oh, that one's pretty. And then a tiny crystal. Put them back in the can so we don't lose them. Alright, next is a floral transparent silicone mold. I mean, not mold, mat. Which I'm guessing is this. And this has to be the mat. I don't know if you see, but there are little roses all around the edge. Yeah. Alright, next is colorful mix of stars and heart sequins. Okay, well, there's no sequins in there, but we got this. Tiny rhinestones. Or they ran out and they had to substitute. Glow blue sand. Oh, I actually skipped two of them. So, this is Kawaii Animal Silicone Mold. A heart, star, ribbon. Oh no, that's an apple. Flower, kitty cat, little bear, and a rabbit. Really? This is funny. So this is a silicone umbrella mold. I actually already have this mold I bought over a month ago from AliExpress. And it looks like the exact same mold. Actually, just slightly different. Oh no, definitely the same. Same mold. Okay, well now I have two of them. Alright, now, let's see. Last two items are glow blue sand, which I'm guessing is this. Now, let's see. Oh, maybe I shouldn't do it that way. And okay, that's kind of fun. It's actually showing up green, but on the camera it looks blue. Okay. And last is iridescent film, which would be this last piece, which I have no clue what I'm supposed to be doing with that. Guess maybe it's for the crystals. And actually give you a nice size. Nice little sheet. I just play with that tonight. I won't be able to fold that back up. So, that's everything. And this box only costs us like $35. And it ships from Singapore. They shipped mine out on the 19th and I received it on the 31st. So, and they do give you tracking and everything. Anyway, that's the end of this box review. So, bye bye.